Hello guys, welcome to my channel GreyHacks. So today we're gonna see how to run Java programs using Visual Studio Code. So we need two things for that. To do that, the first thing will be the Java JDK kit. You gotta install that in order to run all Java programs in your PC or laptop. And the second thing will be the Visual Studio Code. So let's go through the download procedure. Okay, I'll tell you which websites you gotta download these applications from, and also the links will be in the description. So just go to Google Chrome, search the usual thing in Google, that's Java JDK first, then just download just type Java JDK, go to the first link, that is the Oracle one, and then go to this in Java JDK download here, this one. Just click on that and then accept license agreement, because you definitely want to do that, and then select your operating system, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris or Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this one and I'm going to install that one. Okay, so I've already done that, so I want you to pause the video and do the installation first, and after that come back, and then the next thing we need to download is the Visual Studio Code. Again, the first link, code.visualstudio.com, this one, sorry, fourth link, and just click on this, download for Windows, because I'm using Windows, just this one, click on that, and I've already installed it, so I'm not going to download it again. So just download it and go through the installation procedure, and then you gotta go to my computer, properties of my computer actually. So just I'm going to go to properties and go to advanced system settings, and there's this thing is environment variables. You gotta click on that. Yeah, click on that. Okay, then you gotta create a new variable along with the path. So as you can see, I have created already one, so I'm just gonna tell you how to create one. Just click on new, write the variable name as path, and then the variable value, give the variable value this one. I'll just tell you, just go to C program, sorry, Windows C drive, and then go to program files, and then go to Java JDK, and then this open bin, and copy this path. After copying this path, you gotta paste this path here in the variable value. Okay, and then click on OK, and then OK. Yeah, so that side is complete. Now I've written a small Java program, that's a very simple one. I'm gonna open with the Visual Code. So in Visual Code, first go to extensions and download the Java extension pack. Just type it here, Java extension pack, Java extension pack. Okay, this is the one. So just install it, and then it's gonna install a couple of other extensions, that's why it's called extension pack. So after that, you just go to your program, then try to execute it. Okay, so I'll just execute, go to debug console. Yep. So let's see the output. See, the output is hello Java. So that's how you're gonna do it. If you guys have any doubts, just put it in comments, and if you guys have any problems and stuff, you can also mention that in comments, and I'm gonna try to reply all of them. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.